Welcome to this guided meditation for calming your nervous system and reducing health anxiety. Find a comfortable position, sit or lie down, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Let's begin. Let's take another slow inhale through the nose, and slowly exhale. Try to exhale for twice as long as you inhale to increase the amount of relaxation you're feeling. Okay. And while you continue breathing, feel the weight of your body on the surface beneath you, allowing your shoulders to drop, letting go of any tension in your jaw, and allowing your body to fully and completely relax. Right now, in this moment, you are safe. Let's take a few deep breaths together. Let's inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, and exhale for 6 seconds, okay? So inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each breath signals to your brain, I am safe. I can relax. With every inhale, feel peace entering your body. And with every exhale, feel the tension leaving your body. We'll do one more. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now bringing awareness to any sensations in your body. If you feel tightness, tingling, or any discomfort, simply observe it and release it. You could say to yourself, this is just my body adjusting. I do not need to fear this. I allow my body to relax and reset. I am not these sensations. I am the calm awareness observing them. Now repeat these affirmations silently in your mind or out loud. I am safe in my body. My nervous system is resetting and healing. I choose calm over fear. I trust my body to function as it should. I am safe in my body. My nervous system is resetting and healing. I choose calm over fear. I trust my body to function as it should. I am safe in my body. My nervous system is resetting and healing. I choose calm over fear. I trust my body to function as it should. and feeling the warmth of peace spreading throughout your body. Continue to breathe deeply and exhaling for twice as long as you inhaled for. And relaxing any tensions in your body. And if you observe any uncomfortable sensations, no labeling, no judgment, simply observing and releasing. And slowly bring awareness back to your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel this present moment. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Always remember, dear one, you are safe. You are healing. You are in control of this, of your mind and your heart. You are the powerful presence that observes. You are not your thoughts. Thank you for sharing this special moment with me in rewiring and resetting your nervous system. Here's some next steps. Practice these mindfulness techniques daily. Use this meditation anytime you feel anxious. And in next week's lesson for week 4, we'll learn how to rewire negative thought patterns. This free health anxiety course is a powerful complement to the 8-week Transforming SAD course. This amazing course is available on transformingsad.com, where you can work with me in a group setting or in a self-paced course. It's up to you. All right, so next week we will be rewiring anxious thought patterns. I'll see you then. Namaste.